Hello viewer, we are in Photoshop for editing. So here we are going to edit the picture using the filter gallery so that it's a fiber length, brightness, so contrast as well, or more going for adjustment, hue and saturation, and the lightness as well. Here we can add brightness around it. So now we can add background for it so that it is